Hello students. So in a differentiation, today we will see problems based on tan inverse formula. So in inverse trigonometric function, you have studied two formulas. That is, first one, tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. This is the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So in inverse trigonometric function, we have seen in this form. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Here in differentiation, problem will be in this form. We will write it in the simple form and then differentiate. Similarly, second, tan inverse x minus y divided by 1 plus xy is written as tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. So on these formulas, we will see problems. So those problems will be for 1 marks or 2 marks, even you may have in CET exams also. Now here two things you remember, students. Whichever formula of tan you take, here there will be always 1. Now these two formulas, or tan 2 theta, tan 3 theta, tan a plus b, tan a minus b, whichever formula you take, here it will be. Second thing, in these formulas you observe, if there is minus in denominator, there is plus in numerator. Similarly, if there is plus, minus. So these are two hints which we will be using. So you can note down these two formulas, then we will see the problems. First one, find dy by dx. You will be asking it as find dy by dx. So find dy by dx. First one, y is equal to tan inverse a minus x divided by 1 plus a into x. So y is equal to tan inverse a minus x by 1 plus a into x. Now students, don't differentiate directly, it will become lengthy and it will not be easy to simplify. Now observe this and two formulas which we had written. So two hints I had told, if there is plus here, there should be minus. Here 1 has to be there. Means if you observe, this is the second formula which I had written. So this expression you can write it as y is equal to tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of x. You can write it as tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of x. Now it is easy to differentiate. So if you differentiate now, dy by dx is equal to tan inverse a differentiation is 0 because there is no x term, 0. Tan inverse x differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square. This minus I have kept over here. So dy by dx is minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Clear, students? So for 1 or 2 marks you will be having these problems. Similarly, if I take second one, y is equal to tan inverse 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So again here 1 is there, here minus, here plus is there. This should be multiplication of these two terms. Here if you observe, ax is multiplication of these two. Similarly 1 into x will be 1. So now if you observe, you can apply first formula. So if I apply first formula, this is y is equal to tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse x. Tan inverse x. So tan inverse 1 is pi by 4, but differentiation, pi by 4 differentiation is 0, it is a constant. So directly I will differentiate dy by dx, this is 0. Tan inverse x differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square. So answer is 1 by 1 plus x square. Clear, students? Similarly, if I take third one, y is equal to third one, tan inverse 3x divided by 1 minus 2x square. Y is equal to tan inverse 3x divided by 1 minus 2x square. Now, here if you observe, two hints I had told. So 1 has to be there. So here 1 is there. Here minus is there. Means in numerator I should have plus. Now this 3x, you should write it as sum of two terms. If you multiply those two terms, you should get 2x square. So y is equal to tan inverse into bracket. So 3x, you should write it as sum of two terms. Here minus is there, means here you should have plus. Here as it is 1 minus 2x square. If you multiply these two terms, you should get 2x square. Correct? 3x can be written as x plus 2x or 2x plus x. Now here minus is there, here plus is there, here 1 is there. If you multiply these 2x into 2x, you will have 2x square. Now observe those two formulas, it is in the form of first formula. So I will write it as y is equal to tan inverse x plus tan inverse 2x. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse 2x. Now it's very easy to differentiate. Now you differentiate. So dy by dx is equal to tan inverse x differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse 2x differentiation will be 1 by 1 plus 2x bracket square, and again by chain rule you should differentiate 2x. So differentiation of 2x will be into 2. So finally you simplify and keep. So you'll have this is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square plus 2 divided by 1 plus 4 x square. This is the answer. 2 by 1 plus 4 x square. Clear, students? So in 2 marks you will be having such problems. Similarly, if I take next one, y is equal to fourth one, y is equal to tan inverse into bracket, tan inverse into bracket 5x by 1 plus 6x square. 5x by 1 plus 6x square. Now, you can think in the similar way I have solved here. So now here plus is there, means in the numerator you should have minus. So tan inverse, here minus has to be there. This is as it is. Here I should get minus. So you should take two terms. If you subtract, you should get 5x, and if you multiply, you should get 6x square. What will be those two terms? Correct. 6x minus x. 6x minus x is 5x, and if you multiply these two, you will have 6x square. So now if you observe this, it is first type of formula. So I can write this as tan inverse 6x minus tan inverse x. Tan inverse 6x minus tan inverse x. Now you differentiate. So dy by dx is equal to tan inverse 6x. So 1 by 1 plus 6x bracket square. Again by chain rule, if you differentiate 6x, you will have 6 minus 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square. Last step you can simplify. This will be 36x square. Then this you keep as it is. Clear, students? Similarly, next one if I take. Next one. Y is equal to tan inverse a plus b cos x divided by b minus a cos x. Y is equal to tan inverse a plus b cos x divided by b minus a cos x. Now see here. So first hint I had told is here I should have 1. Whatever may be the problem, formula of tan means here you should have 1. So here instead of 1 b is there. So divide numerator and denominator by b. Divide numerator and denominator by b. So you will have tan inverse into bracket. If I divide by b numerator, so if I divide a, I will have a by b plus. If you divide b over here, b gets cancelled, you will have cos x divided by. If you divide by b, this b gets cancelled, 1 minus a by b into cos x. 1 minus a by b into cos x. Now again if you observe, here minus is there, here plus is there, here 1 is there. If you multiply these two, you will get these two terms, a by b into cos x, means I can apply first formula. So by first formula I can write this as tan inverse a by b plus tan inverse of cos x. Clear, students? By first formula, tan inverse of a by b plus tan inverse of cos x. Now you differentiate. So dy by dx is equal to this is a constant. So differentiation of constant is 0 plus. Now you differentiate this tan inverse. So if I differentiate, I will have 1 by 1 plus cos square x, that is cos x bracket square. Again by chain rule, cos x is written as minus sin x. So this is 0. Tan inverse differentiation is 1 by 1 plus cos square x. Then cos x differentiation is minus sin x. So finally you can write dy by dx is minus sin x divided by 1 plus cos square x. 1 plus cos square x. Clear, students? Similarly, I will take another problem. Sixth one. Y is equal to tan inverse of 2 plus 5 tan x divided by 5 minus 2 tan x. 5 minus 2 tan x. 2 plus 5 tan x divided by 5 minus 2 tan x. So similar to this one. Now you can tell me the steps. Here 5 is there. So you should have 1. So divide numerator and denominator by 5. So you will have tan inverse into bracket 2 by 5 plus, if you divide by 5, 5 gets cancelled, you will have tan x divided by. If you divide 5 here, this will be 1 minus 2 by 5 into tan x. Minus 2 by 5 into tan x. So now I got here 1 sum of two terms. If you multiply these two, you will get this one. So you can apply first formula. So this is written as tan inverse of 2 by 5 plus tan inverse of tan x. Tan inverse of tan x. So another step I will write. This you keep as it is. Here tan inverse and tan gets cancelled. So you will have tan inverse 2 by 5 plus x. Tan inverse and tan gets cancelled. Now you differentiate. So you will have dy by dx is equal to constant. So this is 0. Differentiation of x is 1. So final answer is 1. So x 1 you will have, final answer is 1. Clear students? These problems you will be having for 1 or 2 marks. Okay? So now we will see next type problems, that is problems based on substitution. So now I will divide this into two sections. So in this session I will be taking first type of problems which are simple, where you are required to use a formula of sine 2 theta, cos 2 theta, tan 2 theta, then similarly of sine 3 theta, cos 3 theta and tan 3 theta. So on these formulas you will be having. So where you are required to substitute and simplify, you will get these formulas. So these are one type. Then in second type, you have lengthy problems which will be asked for 3 or 5 marks. Then that we will see in next session. So if I take first problem, find dy by dx. First one, y is equal to sine inverse into bracket 2x root of 1 minus x square. You are required to find dy by dx. Now again you cannot differentiate directly because it will be complicated and becomes lengthy, and finally you will not be able to arrive at the answer. So now seeing this bracket, you should think over which formula you will be getting if you substitute a function, trigonometric function. Now if you observe here 2x into root of 1 minus x square, if I substitute sine theta, so put x equal to sine theta, I will substitute. So if you substitute sine theta, 2 sine theta root of 1 minus sine square theta, if you simplify, you will be getting formula of sine 2 theta. So if I substitute, y is equal to sine inverse 2 sine theta into root of 1 minus sine square theta. 1 minus sine square theta. So root of 1 minus sine square theta is cos theta. So you will have sine inverse 2 sine theta into cos theta. 2 sine theta into cos theta. So root of 1 minus sine square theta is cos theta. Now this is a formula for sine 2 theta. So I will substitute this sine inverse sine 2 theta. Now sine inverse and sine gets cancelled. So sine inverse and sine gets cancelled. You will have y is equal to 2 theta. Now you substitute theta from this. That is, theta is sine inverse x. So y is equal to 2 sine inverse x. And now you differentiate, you will have the answer. So dy by dx is equal to 2 sine inverse x, differentiation is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Sine inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. This is the answer. Clear students? for seat and all, directly we remember, if it is in the form, this is nothing but 2 sin inverse x, then you will have the differentiation. So you can note down the steps, then we will go for the next problem. Second, I will take second one. Y is equal to cos inverse into bracket 2x square minus 1. Cos inverse into bracket 2x square minus 1. Now, observe the bracket. In which formula type it is there, you recognize. Which formula you will be getting in the form of 2x square minus 1? Correct, cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1. So you put x is equal to cos theta. Put x is equal to cos theta. So you will have y is equal to cos inverse into bracket 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1 is formula for cos 2 theta. So this is cos inverse into cos 2 theta. So again cos inverse and cos gets cancelled. So you will have y is equal to 2 theta. Now substitute theta. X equal to cos theta. So theta is equal to cos inverse x. So this is 2 cos inverse x. And now finally differentiate. So dy by dx is equal to 2 constant. Cos inverse x differentiation is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So you will have minus 2 by root of 1 minus x square. This is the answer. So you will have dy by dx is equal to minus 2 by root of 1 minus x square. Clear, students? Similarly, third, y is equal to sin inverse 1 minus 2x square. Y is equal to sin inverse 1 minus 2x square. Now again observe this bracket 1 minus 2x square. It is in the formula of cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta can be written in 3 types. 2 cos square theta minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square theta, or cos square theta minus sin square theta. So this is in the form of 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So put x is equal to sin theta. Put x is equal to sin theta. So you will have y is equal to sin inverse 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 1 minus 2 sin square theta is cos 2 theta. So sin inverse into bracket cos 2 theta. Now in inverse trigonometry you have studied. So I should cancel these two. So I will change cos to sin. So cos 2 theta is written as sin pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is written as sin pi by 2 minus 2 theta. So sin inverse sin gets cancelled. So you will have y is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Y is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Now substitute theta from this, x equal to sin theta. So theta will be sin inverse x. So you will have y is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 sin inverse x. So sin, I will take this side, you will have sin inverse x. Now differentiate. Dy by dx is equal to. So differentiation of pi by 2 is 0. Minus 2 sin inverse x means differentiation will be minus 2 by root of 1 minus x square. This is our answer. So minus 2 as it is, differentiation of sine inverse x will be 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Clear, students? You can pause and solve these two problems. Next, fourth one, if I take y is equal to sine inverse 2x divided by 1 plus x square. 2x divided by 1 plus x square. So you recognize by bracket in which formula type it is. So recognize. So if you substitute tan theta, you will have formula of sine 2 theta. So put x is equal to tan theta. So students, if you don't remember the formulas, you can go to my previous videos, that is of session 10, where all formulas I have explained. All formulas I have explained. The differentiation session 10, if you go there, you will be having all the formulas. Else, just in the description box, I have given the link. You can click on that link and go to that video and note down all the formulas which we need. So I will put x is equal to tan theta. So y is equal to sine inverse 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So this is a formula of sine 2 theta in terms of tan. So directly you can take here sine inverse sine 2 theta. Sine inverse sine 2 theta. So sine inverse and sine gets cancelled. So you will have y is equal to 2 theta. Now substitute theta. So you will have 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x. Now you differentiate, you will have the answer. So dy by dx is equal to 2 as it is. Differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So 2 by 1 plus x square. Clear, students? Similarly, next you can try y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So now again it is in the formula of cos 2 theta. So in place of x you should have tan theta. So put x is equal to tan theta. Put x is equal to tan theta. So you will have y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So this bracket 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is formula for cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta. So cos inverse cos gets cancelled. You will have y is equal to 2 theta. Now again substitute theta. Theta is tan inverse x. So 2 tan inverse x. Now differentiate. Now if you differentiate, you will have dy by dx is equal to 2 as it is. Tan inverse x differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square. So answer you will have is 2 by 1 plus x square. Clear, students? Next, sixth one. y is equal to sine inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Y is equal to sine inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Again you see the bracket. In what formula type it is there, you can recognize. Yes, correct. 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta will be equal to sine 3 theta. So here put x equal to sine theta. Put x is equal to sine theta. So you will have y is equal to sine inverse 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. So this bracket is a formula of sine 3 theta. So this is sine inverse into bracket sine 3 theta. Sine 3 theta. So sine inverse sine gets cancelled. You will have y is equal to 3 theta. Again substitute and then differentiate. So this is 3 sine inverse x. From this x equal to sine theta, theta is sine inverse x. Now you differentiate dy by dx. 3 as it is, differentiation of sine inverse x will be 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So you will have 3 by root of 1 minus x square. Clear students? Similarly, next problem if I take y is equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. 4x cube minus 3x. So now again if you observe, this is formula of 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, that is cos 3 theta. So you are required to substitute, put x is equal to cos theta. So substitute and simplify. One step I will be writing directly, cos inverse into bracket. If you substitute 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, you will get cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta. So cos inverse and cos gets cancelled. 3 theta. So theta will be again nothing but cos inverse x. So 3 cos inverse x. Now you differentiate. Dy by dx is equal to minus 3 by root of 1 minus x square. 3 as it is, differentiation of cos inverse x is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Clear students? Next, y is equal to tan inverse into bracket. Tan inverse into bracket. Tan inverse into bracket 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square. So if you remember the formulas, so this bracket is in the form of tan 3 theta formula. So you are required to put x equal to tan theta. X equal to tan theta. So if you substitute x equal to tan theta, this will be tan 3 theta. So you will have y is equal to tan inverse into bracket tan 3 theta. So tan inverse and tan gets cancelled. You will have y is equal to 3 theta. So substitute theta. So this is nothing but 3 tan inverse x. 3 tan inverse x. Now you differentiate. Dy by dx is equal to 3 as it is. Differentiation of tan inverse x will be 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square. Clear students? for CET directly we will be using, if it is in the form of this, it is formula of 3 tan inverse x. Next step you will be having the answer. So you can go through the video and solve all the problems.